Welcome to our channel Logic to Code. So in this video I'll be talking about detecting a loop in a linked list. So if there is a loop in a linked list, the last node of the linked list will be pointing to some node in this linked list. So like this. So given a linked list like this, you need to tell whether there is a loop or not. So this is the problem statement. So if there is a loop, you need to return true, and if there is no loop in the linked list, you need to return false. So the intuition for this problem is taken from a very well-known problem that you might have done in your school days. So in this problem, there is a circular track and there are two persons walking along this circular track in the same direction. Let's say the speed of these two persons are different, and also the starting point may be different. So you might have seen that these two persons is going to meet at some point of time, right? And let's say if speed of these two persons is same, so these two persons is not going to meet anywhere, right? Because the relative speed of these two persons is 0. So this is the crux of this problem. So there are two persons which is walking along in the same direction with the different speed. So it is guaranteed that these two persons is going to meet. So in our problem we have also a circular track kind of thing. So let's say if somehow we put two persons in different nodes and send them to a different speed to walk along this circle, and let's say if these two persons meet at some point of time, which essentially means that these two persons is walking on a circular track. So I'm using this intuition in a different way. So here I am saying is that, so if the two person is walking along a circular track with different speed, they are going to meet at some point of time. But here we are using that if two person with different speed is walking along this linked list, and if they meet at some point of time, which means that there is a circle inside it. So we are using sort of reverse concept of this problem. So that's what I'm going to use here. So this is the function name which tells that there is a loop in this linked list or not. So it takes a head argument, and what I'm doing is that I'm creating two persons. The first person is moving slow and the next person is moving fast. So initially what I'm passing in this while loop is that, let's say fast and fast of next. So there are two cases. Let's say the two person is moving along this circular track, and let's say if they doesn't meet, which essentially means there is no loop in this, and that means that this linked list is a linear linked list, and at the end there will be last node, in the next field of the last node there will be null, right? So in that case this fast and fast of next will become, like, either of these two becomes null. So in this case the fast next will become null. So in that case this will terminate, and in that case we know that there is no loop in this particular linked list, so we'll return false from here. Let's say there is a loop inside this linked list, which means that the two person having speed x, and we are sending the fast person with 2x speed. So the speed of slow person is x and speed of fast person is 2x. So if there is a loop in this particular linked list, so at some point of time these two person is going to meet. So let's say these two person meets at some point of time, which means that we found a circular path in this particular linked list, so we'll return true from here. And if there is no circular path inside this linked list, so either fast, so in this case the fast of next becomes null, right? So it will come out of this while loop and will return false from here. So I hope you understood the concept and the code as well. So thanks for watching this channel. If you like our content, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.